What we're doing is looking at how to facilitate last mile package delivery, and that's taking packages all the way to a door. It's picking them up at a depot in an area of rural Texas, and a lot of things in between, using rural transit providers. And the idea is that if they provide that service, it might give them an opportunity to increase revenue. It's a new source of local match, and it's also a way to increase access for their community. And the people that live in these rural areas are now hopefully going to get more access to goods and services that they would otherwise be sort of limited from. So Susie's writing up some takeaways. We're hosting these workshops in order to bring together public sector and private sector. We invited rural transit operators from throughout Texas, intercity bus providers because they do a lot of package express throughout the country. We also invited some other private package delivery companies, and we've had Greyhound come and Aero Trailways. They've come together, and we've been able to have them talk about what this might look like.
We're looking to be able to extend out to some of the rural areas to provide customers with some different services, and actually to have some different access points or more access points for our customer base.
So we've learned a lot in the workshops, and we've learned that there is interest. We've also learned that there's a lot of variability between markets. And so we're going to take everything that we've gotten out of the workshops, all of our notes, and put them together into a summary report that we're going to send out to workshop participants, and then also a handbook or a guidebook that's going to be used to assist rural transit operators and private partners in collaborating and creating these new partnerships. Once we develop that guidebook, we're then going to find pilot partners, and what we've learned is there's a lot of markets. So some places might support to-the-door delivery, where other places might support a depot sort of delivery. So now what we're thinking about is having multiple pilots with multiple transit agencies. We'll write a business plan and work with the different partners to create a strategy to move forward. After we get things going, we're going to go back and analyze the performance of our pilot, see if there's any modifications that need to be done to the guidebook, and then write a summary report documenting what worked, what didn't, how things could be done better in the future, and how this could be a model that was sustainable in Texas and in other rural areas or even other parts of the country.